In this video, we're going to be looking at my version of what I call a hollow hold and a hollow tuck. This is not the gymnastics version. This is a modified calisthenics version. And it's mainly about learning how to position pelvis and rib cage. So what we're going to do while strengthening the core. So what we're going to do is lay down flat on the ground with our arms and legs extended up overhead, like so. I am going to tuck my pelvis so my lower back is pushing into the ground. From here, and my shoulder blades are tucked in and down. From here, I'm going to extend my hands and feet and hold. 3, 2, 1, and come back. Then tuck my pelvis again, make sure I'm pushing in. My lower back should be pushing into the ground through the whole movement. So 3, 2, 1, come back. 3, 2, 2, come back. 3, 2, 3, come back. Now, if I can't get to full extension, okay, and hold that position, that's fine. I'll just modify it. I can bring my arms up and just go out this far and hold. 3, 2, 1, and come in. If I'm even having a difficult time or moving my legs at all causes my pelvis to move, like so, then I'm going to just move my arms. Extend up, hold. 3, 2, 1, come back down. So I can modify this movement in a lot of different ways, but the key is I want to imagine there's a rubber band under my back and there's tension on it. And if I arch my back, that rubber band would fly out. So I want to keep this tucked in and down, holding that position, extending so I know my lower back's staying flat, and then coming back in. Don't forget to breathe. It's really important. I consider this to be a fundamental level before planking. So if you're working on building up a plank or a rollout or whatever the anterior core work we're doing is, this is a fundamental movement that comes first in core strength when working with me.